How to deposit crypto on the Binance app. So if you want to deposit crypto on the Binance app, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Binance application, and this is normally the type of interface that you will be able to see right here. Now from the home page on the Binance app, just go to the option called deposit that you can see from the top right hand corner. Once you go to the option called deposit, under I have crypto assets, you can select deposit crypto. So select send crypto to your Binance account option right here. Once done, you can choose any one of the crypto that you would like to deposit. In this case, let's say I select USDT. Once you select a certain option of crypto, you also have to make sure to choose the network. So please note that only supported networks and Binance platforms are shown. If you deposit via another network, your assets may be lost. So just make sure that the proper network is selected. Once done, here you'll see the deposit address. So here you can see deposit address, which is this. You can either copy this address or you can save this QR code that will be given over here, so that next time whenever someone wants to send you a certain cryptocurrency, they will be able to simply send it to this particular wallet address that you have provided. If you want to change the wallet, then you'll be able to also change the wallet, and you'll see the spot wallet option if you'd like to change it. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.